So I'm out and about today and I just stumbled across this. It appears to be an old porcelain doorknob. There was a farm on this property a long time ago, and I'm assuming that that's what this is. Okay, girl, get out of the way here. And if we can get this dug up, let's take a look. This is taking forever because all I have is a stick here, and this ground is completely frozen. So none of this is easy. But as you can see, it's starting to break loose. Let's see if we can get this out of here. There we go. I kicked it a few times and it finally popped free. And that is exactly what we've got here. An old doorknob. Very cool. We'll get this home, get it cleaned up. We'll take a quick look at it. I'll show you all what it looked like. And yeah, pretty cool find. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. You never know what you're going to find on your daily walk. We're going to keep on exploring this area until they finish the construction up here. You never know what we'll find. And maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.